Hello everyone! So today ay magluluto kami ni Sean ng brunch namin. It's already 1 p.m. So magluluto na lang tayo ng very simple dish para mabilis lang din maluto. So what are we making today, Sean?
Beef bulgogi.
So we're gonna be making beef bulgogi. Isa yan sa favorite naming ulam na mabilis lutuin. So for our ingredients, magcha-chop lang si Sean ng onions. Then, meron tayo ditong beef, thinly sliced beef, and yung ating Korean barbecue bulgogi marinade. So, yan lang. So, mag-slice muna si Sean saglit. You're learning, Sean. Good job. What are we gonna do for Sean? Yung meat mo.
The meat with the sauce.
Yeah, sige. We don't have a lot of time, so saglit lang natin mamamarinate. Parang haluin mo muna lahat. Onion, yeah, and then the ano. Lagay mo na lahat yan, more onion, better. Then lagyan mo na siya ng marinade natin. Tansyahin mo lang, nak. Huwag masyadong marami, then later we can adjust naman. Ayan. So wait lang, kukuha tayo ng panghalo. Or a little bit more, Sean. Then, yeah, haluin mo na lang, and then tansyahin mo. I think you need a little bit more, Sean.
Yes.
That's okay. Yan. And then, mag-add ka na lang ng mga flavor na gusto mo, kung anong gusto mong i-add dyan. So, we're adding a little bit of salt, then pepper. Tansyahan lang tayo. Wala tayong measurement. And then, a little bit of konting magic if you want to add, Sean. And then, siguro mga few minutes lang natin siya i-marinate kasi wala na tayong time. Gutom na ang aking Sean. Gutom ka na ba? Hindi pa naman. Hindi pa naman kasi kumain siya ng breakfast kanina, pagising niya. Okay, so marinate mo muna yung anak kong. Yan, that looks good. Alright. Then, later on, after a few minutes, i-fry na natin yan siya. Lulutuin na natin. Alright, so start na tayo magluto. So ano na una mong ginawa, anak?
We put olive oil on the
Sa pan,
and let
pinain.
it get hot.
Alright, so ngayon ready na yan. I-shoot mo na lahat yan. Yes. Yan. Hindi ganun katagal ang pag-marinate natin, pero bawiin na lang natin sa lasa. Masarap yan kung overnight mo sana minarinate or at least mga few hours. But since we don't have time, nagmamadali na si Mami. It's 1:36. I need to take a bath na maya-maya kasi I have work at 3:30. So, anuhin na lang natin yan. Lakasan mo, apoy mo, nak-nak.
Naka-8 na to, ma.
Ayan. So, hayaan lang natin yan kumulo muna dyan. Lutuin mo muna yung nakong.
Yes.
Ayan. After a few minutes, kumukulo na. So, kailangan nating halo-haluin para hindi siya dumikit. It smells good, Sean.
Yes.
It smells good. Pwede na ako kumain. Right, so check natin ulit after a few minutes. Right, so after a few minutes, luto na ang ating ulam. May siyanap. Naglagay lang si Sean ng konting salt kasi parang sabi niya kulang daw sa alat konti.
And
So,
it was too sweet.
too sweet pa daw. So, yeah, naglagay siya. I think I want more pepper, nak. Konting pepper pa. Yes. And then, you're good na. Konti na lang. Alright. And then, on the other pan, nag-request ako kay Sean ng
Itlog.
egg. Sunny side up egg. Kasi I want it na partner ng aking beef bulgogi. So, I think we're good. Magpiplating na tayo in a bit. Yan. Isang egg lang ang aking lulutuin kasi ayaw naman ni Sean ng egg. Ako lang may request niya. Alright, so ready na for plating. One for me and one for Sean. Alright. Ayan, more pa ba? Okay. Then one for me. Alright. Okay, and then that's it. You can add more if you want, Sean.
Yes.
Alright, so eto na. Tapos na ako mag-plating. Yung may egg sa akin to. Etong walang egg kay Sean. And then for final touch, maglalagay tayo ng
Sesame seeds.
sesame seeds. Gusto ni Sean daw yan. So yan, ako dito na lang. Alright. Alright, so ready to taste test, Sean. Tingnan mo kung masarap bang luto mo. Alright. Wow, what a bite. Happy? Macy? Yan. Parang sa restaurant na. Okay. So, let's eat. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Thank you for
everyone.
watching.
Ano ma, masarap?
Sarap. Ang sarap. Promise.